Can artificial intelligence help to improve the competitiveness of European industry while at the same time enhance the productivity and well-being of workers? In the hunt for answers, European researchers have come up with a range of technological solutions, some of which are already being tested by small firms in Finland. In Seinäjoki, Finland, metal company Prima Power is trialling two of the EU's factory-to-fit project solutions. The €4 million project seeks to explore new ways in which people and machines can work together. Experts from the Technical Research Centre VTT say the aim is to put people centre stage.
They can participate in designing the work environment and how the work is organised, and also give them ways to share their practical knowledge that often is tacit and not so visible.
Globally, artificial intelligence, automation and robotics are transforming manufacturing as part of what is known as the fourth industrial revolution.
Of course, there are manual elements, but the work is changing towards knowledge work, so it's more like working with the virtual counterparts of the physical things in the physical world.
The pre-training solution part of the project uses 3D models and cloud-based tutorials, while a knowledge-sharing solution aims to make the most of all the experience a worker gathers while running complex machinery, especially when something goes wrong.
So here the operator can open the additional dialogue to get the extra information about the situation. And this is done by sharing the additional description, text, pictures or videos. The idea is that in the future, whenever the alarm with the same code happens, the operator will be able to learn not only the standard remedies, but also see what are the possible reasons and how to prevent this alarm happening in the future.
At the Elimerk factory in Keiju, workers test a worker feedback dashboard, a biometric monitoring tool similar to a Fitbit or an app. It charts someone's work achievements and well-being, such as sleep and steps taken per day, and shows how the two can be linked.
And then there is another part. When we interviewed during the project factory workers, we heard that often they get only negative feedback when something is not going well. So we wanted to develop an application that would also give you positive feedback of the fluency of your work and of your accomplishments. So feedback of the things that are going well.
Ville was one of 5 workers who wore the wristband during a 3-month pilot scheme.
I was surprised to see how sleeping well influenced my work performance. Together with leisure activities, sleep was really important for my general performance at work.
Of all the solutions, this one proved the most controversial because of fears over the possible misuse of the workers' personal data.
When we are developing this kind of solutions, we want to consider the ethics, so that and want to stress or highlight that this should always be voluntary.
The data gathered is kept on a separate server, not in the factory system. Researchers expect at least some of their solutions to be commercially available by the end of 2020.